In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, professional landing page that can start collecting subscribers for your business or project. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, head straight to your main dashboard. Look for the option labeled Sites. This is where all of your website-related tools live inside Mailerlite. Click on Sites, and inside that area, choose the section called Landing Pages. This is where you'll see any pages you've already created and where you'll start new ones. Next, click on the button that says Create New Landing Page. This tells Mailerlite you want to build a fresh page from scratch or from a template. Don't worry if you're not a designer. The editor is very visual and beginner-friendly. You'll now be asked to name your landing page and connect it to a subscriber group. The name is mainly for your own organization, so choose something that clearly describes the page's purpose. Then, pick an existing group or create a new one. This group will collect everyone who opts in through this landing page, which makes it much easier later on to send targeted emails and track performance. After that, you'll choose how you want to start designing. You can pick from a variety of pre-designed templates, which is great if you want something polished quickly. Or, if you prefer full control over the layout, select a blank canvas to build everything yourself. Either option uses the same drag-and-drop builder. Inside the editor, you'll see a left sidebar with different content blocks. You can drag headings, text, images, buttons, and forms directly onto the page. Click on any block to customize it. Change the text, swap images, adjust colors, or tweak the background. If you find a layout you really like, you can even save it to reuse later, which saves a lot of time across multiple landing pages. Toward the top, you'll notice options for pages, styles, and settings. Use the Pages section to switch between your main landing page and the success page your visitors see after they sign up. Under Styles, you can control global fonts, colors, and spacing so everything looks consistent. And in Settings, you can add a footer, enable notification bars, and turn on tools like reCAPTCHA to reduce spam signups. Once you're happy with the layout and design, you're ready to publish and start sharing your new Mailerlite landing page.